Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix a verification field. There was an error connecting to the Apple ID server. So guys, when you want to do any activity on your Apple ID in iPhone or iPad and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen, and guys now you need to open your settings. So guys, from here you have to check your internet connection. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your iPhone or iPad. And after this you need to go back. So guys, now you have to scroll down. Here you will see the option of general and click on VPN and device management. So guys, if you have connected any kind of VPN here, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this you need to go back. So guys, now you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and you need to reset your network settings. Maybe there is network problem. So guys, when you have reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. And guys, after this you need to click on language and region and select your region according to your country. And after this you need to set your date and time on automatically. And guys, now you have to check for a software update. And guys, if you will find any update here, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem and still facing this issue again and again, then guys no need to worry. You have to click on screen time, scroll it down, click on content and privacy restrictions, and you have to remove all the restrictions from here. And guys, now you have to go back. So guys, after this simply you have to restart your iPhones. You need to shut down power of your iPhone and you need to power on it again within few seconds. And guys, after doing all these settings, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.